Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the bridge tool. Now, the bridge tool is very similar to the skin tool in NURBS modeling. In order to find it, you can find it here in the palette, and if you prefer to use the puck, you can find it over here. Now, in order to use the bridge tool, what you can do is click on the tool and just click two edges that you want to connect. So I'm going to select this one over here, and I'm going to select this one, and all you have to do is just press build. Now you can select multiple edges at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the bridge tool like this, and I'm going to click here and use a combination of shift and middle mouse button to select all of these at the same time. Do the same thing on the other side like this and press build. Now you can also do this in reverse where you have the edges selected first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say pick edge loop like this. I'm going to click this one, I'm going to click this one and click on the bridge tool, and it's going to automatically highlight the two edges, and all you have to do is press build and it's going to make a nice connection between the two. Now you can also do that for a face as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this SubD cage like this. And what I can do is use the bridge tool over here. Now you can do a pick type face, or of course I prefer to pick the face first. So I'm just going to pick face over here and pick face over here and use the bridge tool like this. And I'm just going to say build, and it's going to make a very interesting connection. Now with this one, you do have to make sure that the direction is good. So I'm just going to change the direction over here so that it actually creates a hole instead of making a funky transition. So you can play around with this one so that the connection is a little bit better. So you just have to do that. All right, so that is how to use the bridge tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.